SSD is much faster than those mechanical hard disks. Then I realized you probably shouldn't do that. There are much better and cheaper way to build your own SSD, portable SSD. Most of you should have these ones, right? Portable hard disks. These are mechanical hard disks. I've been using them for many years to store my pictures, files, videos, anything as a backup. Super useful and very cheap. But recently when I start to use one of these to start doing video editing, I realized this thing is way too slow. It doesn't do the job. So like most of you, probably I would just look online, to purchase a new portable SSD. Now SSD is much faster than those mechanical hard disks. Then I realized you probably shouldn't do that. There are much better and cheaper way to build your own SSD, portable SSD, and I will show you how do I learn to do that in just 2 minutes. Let's get to it. So in order to make your own portable SSD, you basically need 2 things. One is the SSD itself, and the other is the enclosure, which is the case, right? I just bought them on Amazon, randomly. I don't really care which brand it is. I just picked the one that actually Amazon recommended for me. So I purchased, I found this case, and then Amazon recommended this one to me. Checked the price, was okay, so I just bought them. I don't want to do unboxing video, just want to show you how the device looks like. So very simple design. It has a Type-C port and then a button to open the case. And here it is, very simple. It also comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable and also a Type-C to Type-A converter cable, so you can plug in almost into everything. It also has some opaque stickers. So this is a NVMe M2 SSD from Samsung, which is compatible with the enclosure. Literally, you just plug in. Yeah, that's it, and lock it with this little button, and it's all done. It's recommended to put on some opaque stickers as well, because when you're transferring files, the SSD is going to become very hot and it may cause some more throttling, which will slow down the speed. Put on the case, that's it. Plugging into your laptop. Before you can actually use your brand new portable SSD, there's one last step you have to complete. That is to format the storage drive into the right format that's compatible with your computer. So you open disk utility and choose your external drive, which is a Samsung SSD 980, so 1 terabyte. But don't format this one. This is your operating system. Okay. So after you choose these, first you're gonna do is erase it and give it a name. Let's say xyd. There are a couple of formats you can choose. The difference between these formats is APFS is basically an Apple format, right? So Apple file format. So it cannot be read by those Windows PCs. But like macOS Extended or MS-DOS, the xFAT, for example, MS-DOS and xFAT can be read by both Mac and Windows machine. Okay, so this is a list where you can find all the differences between all different formats. Choose the one that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to just choose APFS. And scheme. So partitioning scheme is a bit complicated, but it's the way how storage device organize itself. So as a Mac user, I'll just leave it as it is. Click erase. Okay, click down, and then you will see complete. So this is right, and then now you should be able to see it actually. Kind of. Yes, it's actually here. Okay, so let's get the information. You can see it. It's 1 terabyte. And let's give it a try to see if we can put some files into it. Let's give it a try. Yep, super fast. Okay, it works. If you do it quickly, it literally takes you only like 2 minutes to build this, a high performance, low cost, portable SSD. You know, I think today's learning is not just about building the useful little thing for myself, but also the knowledge behind storage. Now I know it better, and I know the different format of storage for your laptop. I hope you'll enjoy the video, and leave your comment below to tell me what I should learn in the future, what is worth learning, and we'll see you in the next video.